not that expensive, and it's very good. Because we already started the food prep. As soon as I get finished with my other lesson. So, I put some pineapple. And this is a very cherry berry blend. Looks like it has raspberry, cherry, blueberry. No, maybe not blueberry. It would have to read them. Blueberry, yeah, it does say blueberry, blackberry, cherry. And what I said, you can add water. But when you add water to smoothies, you don't fill it all the way up. You fill it not like halfway or a little less than half. But don't fill, because then it's too watery. And you can add ice to it. You can freeze your fruit. You can freeze bananas. You can freeze whatever you're using. It just makes it thicker. You know, I pretty much, I kind of trust them. They don't, like, they have a lot of organic things, and, you know, if I bought something from there that wasn't, it's not like a shopper or anything like that. You know, Mom used to love, like,
you'll love it.